The chart area is the biggest window on the client terminal. It displays the price chart for a specific financial instrument. The MT4 Client Terminal can accommodate 99 open charts. Price charts are necessary for traders in order to perform technical analysis, either by identifying certain price patterns or by applying technical indicators, oscillators, or other technical tools. The price chart is plotted on two axes: the time axis and the price axis. The chart area is a graphical representation of price using candlesticks, or bar charts or line charts. There are different ways to open a chart window, namely, File menu, Standard Toolbar, Market Watch. By selecting the File menu and then New Chart, traders may easily choose the preferred financial instrument. Consequently, the new chart will be displayed. Another way to open a chart is through the Standard Toolbar. By pressing the Create a New Chart icon on the Standard Toolbar, a drop-down menu appears so traders may select the preferred financial instrument to be displayed in the chart area. An alternative way to open a new chart is through the Market Watch window. Just right-click on the preferred symbol and then select Chart Window from the pop-up menu. The last way of opening a chart window is by selecting a symbol in the Market Watch and then dragging it in the chart area. In fact, the new symbol will replace the previously displayed financial instrument in the chart.
Want to be the first to know about new videos? Hit the subscribe button now.